Hello students, today we'll discuss the past perfect tense. What is the past perfect tense? This tense means past of the past. Before we know that, first of all, we should be very clear about the structure. What are the structures of past perfect tense? Subject, had plus verb 3. Subject, had plus not plus verb 3. Had subject verb 3 question mark. Had subject not verb 3 question mark. Had not subject verb 3 question mark. Examples: they had done the work. They had not done the work. Had they done the work? Had they not done the work? Had not they done the work? These are the examples of past perfect tense as per the structure. But in reality, they are not in use. So, what are the uses? First of all, we should be very clear of what is the past perfect tense. प्रथमे पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस विषय प्रथम बुझीजे पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस क्या कहुए प्रथम मु कही पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस मीन्स पास्ट ऑफ द पास्ट अर्थात अतीत दुईटी घटना घटी जदि प्रत्येक घटना को आमे प्रकाश करने चाहिए तेबे ताको सिंपल पास्ट ही लेखा किंतु जितेबले दुईटा घटना गुड़ को जोग कर प्रकाश करने को होता है सेतेबले ही प्रथम घटनाटा को पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस एवं द्वितीय घटनाटा को सिंपल पास्ट रे हमें प्रकाश करता दैट मीन्स इफ टू इवेंट्स और एक्टिविटीज took place in the past and we want to express them separately, then every activity is in simple past. But when we want to express them combinedly, then only the first activity was in past perfect and the second activity was in simple past. So that was the first use. Use number 1. To show which of the two events happened first. Example: I wrote a letter. I posted the letter. What was the first action? I wrote a letter was the first action. I posted the letter was the second action. पुणी कही दुईटी घटना मुझे आपको कही कौन कौन कहली आई रोट ए लेटर एटा प्रथम घटना आई पोस्टेड द लेटर एटा द्वितीय घटना जितेबले ए दुईटा घटना गुड़ी को अलग अलग प्रकाश करने चाहिए तेरे प्रत्येक घटना हूँ सिंपल पास्ट एवरी इवेंट वाज इन सिंपल पास्ट व्हेन आई वांट टू एक्सप्रेस द सेपरेटली बट when I want to express them jointly or combinedly, then the first action कौन I wrote a letter and that sentence would be changed into I had written a letter because it was in past perfect tense. What was the second one? The second one was I posted the letter and it remained as usual. The first action was in past perfect and the second action was in simple past. When we express it with the conjunctions like after and before, then the structures will be like this: simple past, after, past perfect. That means I posted the letter after I had written it. Before structure: past perfect, before, simple past. I had written the letter before I posted it. First action was in past perfect. Second action was in simple past. Clear? केवल आफ्टर बिफोर सहित नुहे अन्य कंजक्शन सहित मध्य पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस को व्यवहार करा जाई परियो. That is use number 2. We also use when, until, as soon as, before, that, by the time to join the two sentences. Examples. When I got home, everybody had gone to bed. First action कौन ହେଇଥିବ? Everybody went to bed. Second action कौन? I got home. Clear? By the time Gandhi died, India had got her freedom. First action कौन? India got her freedom. Second action कौन? Gandhi died. The students could not understand until the teacher had explained. First action, explain. Second action, understood. We cleared up as soon as our guest had left. The guests left. First action. We cleared up. Second action. When I came, my friends had already left. My friends left. First action. I came. Second action. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ डायरेक्ट स्पीच ରୁ इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच करू ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस रो यूज करता. एग्जांपल. Gayatri said that Lali had gone to the park. He asked me why I had left the class so early. ये जो सेंटेंस आम डायरेक्ट स्पीच रू इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कला को साधारणतः व्यवहार करता. यूज नंबर 3. टू एक्सप्रेस पास्ट अनफुलफिल्ड विश. এই ক্ষেত্রে আমি কিছু ভার্ব ব্যবহার করতাম. কো ভার্ব ব্যবহার করতাম দেখুন. expect, hope, want, suppose, wish. Examples. I wish I had invited him. अर्थात ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ନିମନ୍ତ୍ରଣ କରିନା. I had expected that she would come. Similarly, I had hoped to attend his marriage. If only I had known his name. That means I did not know his name. If only I had obeyed my father's advice. I had wanted to meet you, but unfortunately I could not. এই উপর বাক্য গুড়িকরে ଅତୀତରେ ଏ ଘଟଣା ଘଟି ନଥିଲା. ମୁଁ ଆଶା କରୁଛି ଏ ଘଟଣା ଘଟିଥିଲେ ଭଲ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା. ସେଥିପାଇଁ ବିଶ୍ ଆକାରରେ ମୁଁ ପ୍ରକାଶ କରୁଛି. ୟୁଜ୍ ନମ୍ବର 4. ଟୁ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସ୍ an event or action that has been completed before some time. ଏଠାରେ ଟାଇମ୍ ଆଡଭର୍ବ ମେନସନ୍ ହେଇଥିବ. ସେହି ସମୟ ସୁଦ୍ଧା କୌଣସି କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ହେବାକୁ ଯଦି ପରିପ୍ରକାଶ କରାଯାଏ ତେବେ ପାଷ୍ଟ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ ଟେନ୍ସ ହେବ. ଏ ଘଟଣା ଅତୀତର, ଭବିଷ୍ୟତର ନୁହେଁ. Be careful. Examples. By evening, she had completed her work. At 10 a.m., all the students had come to school. By sunset, they had returned home. ବୁଝା ପଡ଼ିଲା? By sunset, ସୂର୍ଯ୍ୟାସ୍ତ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ସେମାନେ ସମସ୍ତେ ଘରକୁ ଫେରି ଆସିଥିବେ. ସେମିତି ଅନ୍ୟ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ଆମେ ବୁଝିବା. ୟୁଜ୍ ନମ୍ବର 5. To express a conditional clause. Past unfulfilled wish expressed in conditional clause. If clause. Structure. If plus subject plus had plus verb 3. Subject plus would किंबा could plus have plus verb 3. If I had had money, I would have bought the book. Means I did not have money. I did not buy द बुक। अत्यधिक घटना मो पाखे पैसा नथिला मु से बहीटी किनी पारली नहीं। बर्तमान मु विश प्रकाश करुच्ची। कौन विश? इफ आई हैड मनी I would have bought the book. Clear? Another examples. If I had studied hard, I would have got more marks. If I had requested him, he could have helped me. Past perfect tense कहले दुईटी घटना अत्तर घटिथिबो। प्रथम घटना को पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस रे प्रकाश करा जाए, द्वितीय घटना को सिंपल पास्ट रे प्रकाश करा जाए। किंतु मन रखिबा जदि घटना गुड़िक क्रमानुसार बा गोटे पर गोटे सांगे सांगे घटी थाए तेबे पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज हुए नहीं। ए क्षेत्र रे आमे सिंपल पास्ट रो व्यवहार करथाउ। एग्जांपल आई केम, आई सॉ, आई कन्क्वायर्ड। ए सेंटेंस के कहिथिले? जूलियस सीजर कहिथिले। आउट एग्जांपल देखो। वी गॉट आउट ऑफ द टैक्सी, पेड द फेयर एंड रश्ड इनटू द स्टेशन। गॉट आउट ऑफ द टैक्सी, पेड द फेयर एंड वेंट और रश्ड इनटू द स्टेशन। ए क्षेत्र रे पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज हुए नहीं, कारण इवेंट गुड़िक क्रमानुजाई घटी था, गोटे पर गोटे घटी जाए। पास्ट केवल अतीतर गोटे घटना बुझाई था। पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस दुईटी घटना मध्य प्रथम घटना को पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस और द्वितीय घटना को सिंपल पास्ट बुझाई था। तेणु कौन सी परिस्थिति रे सिंपल पास्ट और पास्ट परफेक्ट मध्य आमे कन्फ्यूज हवा नहीं। सिंपल पास्ट केवल गोटे घटना, पास्ट परफेक्ट दुईटी घटना मध्य प्रथम घटना। क्लियर? बेस्ट ऑफ लक।